Okay guys, now that I got everything that I need, I asked the person working if I had everything I need. I was like, yo, I watched many videos. This bleaching is actually more than what you would think. You can't just like buy a box and then expect your hair to turn out bleached. But I did get everything that I need. I got 2 toners. I got a 30 and a 40. And then I also have bleach packets, and you mix that with the toners, and I got cream. Now you guys see me picking up the clear liquid, but I actually did switch that out and get the cream, which is in a red bottle versus blue. Then I got gloves. I also got those like hair bags to cover your hair, and then one of those brushes, and then also something to mix it in. But other than that, I'm all set. This is the last one, guys. I still have a little bit left, so I'm just gonna go over the parts that look a little light. You can see that this one, some of them are already turning color. The biggest thing is just trying to accomplish a consistent color throughout. But I did do my entire head with just 1 packet of the quick blue. So I should be able to do 3 coats, but it just depends on how it looks after. I'm interested to see how this first session goes. I'm gonna let this sit for I think 30 minutes, and then after that we'll be able to see how many coats I'll have to do afterward. Alright guys, it's been like an hour. I overdid it, but you can already see the blonde coming through. So now I'm just gonna take this cap off and then get into showering with the shimmer lights. I think that's what it's called, shimmering lights. There's the second coat. I'm starting to look like Fernando Tatis right now. I have someone in my mind who I think this looks like. Comment down below what you guys think this looks like. But I'm gonna put the shower cap back on, let it sit for another 30 minutes, rinse that out, see what it's look like. Alright guys, moment of truth. I'm really expecting my hair to be really bright. I mean, it looks really bright right now. Alright, I'm expecting great things. Alright guys, time for the big reveal. Here we go. Everything should be pretty even. I did run into a mistake, and I'll show you guys that right now. But hey, it's nice and bright. I did the shimmer lights again right now in the shower. Now I'll let you guys see. Let's see if it's all consistent all the way throughout. You guys can already see the mistake that I made. When I did the drying process, I put everything up here, and my hair is like kind of fuzzy right now because I did just shower. And that's something to expect as well while bleaching your hair. It's going to get frizzy. My bleach dreadlocks were laying on my scalp, so we got some bleaching and goldy locks up there as well. But here's a quick 360. Everything is really pretty even.
Whoa, your ends are really white.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that? Those ones?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
What do you think?
You look like a rock star.
I look like a little bump. Just kidding.
You look like you could be a rock star.
I am a rock star.
Cool. Let me see, turn around.
I got dye on top of my head too.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Honey.
Y'all, I'm feeling like Goldilocks. Candace actually said she likes it, so I'm surprised. The biggest mistake was just the top. Letting my hair rest up there caused an issue, but not too bad, not too bad. I want to try it with like a braided hairstyle, so I think that'd be really cool. Comment down below what you guys think. I want to hear your guys' comments. Please comment down my rap name. I think I might have to be dropping a SoundCloud album, so stay on the lookout for that. I'm totally kidding. But as far as today, since my hair is really frizzy because of all the hair dye, I am gonna be wearing a beanie. So guys, got the beanie on. Like I said, my hair is really frizzy because of all of the bleach. So I mean, I can just fix that with crochet needling. But maybe with my hair being this bright, maybe I can do a color on it. Let me know if I should do a color. If so, what color should I do? Let me know. But I do have to head off right now. Me and Candace are heading off to the church because I have to paint something. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hello, hon. What do you think about the hair?
I think it's cute.
Yeah?
Yeah. I didn't know. I wasn't sure I was gonna like it.
Yeah, I wasn't sure either.
But it looks cool. You look like a white boy.
What's up, Joe? What do you think about my hair?
It's not even cold outside.
It's not even cold outside. Am I super saiyan?
Yeah, actually, that's exactly what I thought.
Alright. Look at this. I'm on. Ooh, this is actually kind of dope, guys. I'm stoked. I actually was painting a bed frame that is going behind this curtain that is for this awesome series that we got going on at our church. I put the info down below. If you're in Phoenix, Arizona, then come out. How's my hair looking in the beanie though? How's my whole aesthetic? Looking pretty fresh? Thanks, guys. Actually, can you take a photo of me? Because I need photos for my gram.
What were you?
What's up, dude?
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Hey.
Whoa, you got great merch on.
Yeah.
So the bags are upstairs?
Yeah.
What do you think about my hair?
It's cool, man. Reminds me of the old days.
Yeah, this morning it was 41 degrees. Oh, I smell pizza. What you got?
Caesars.
And guys, I'm back home. Everyone's reactions were actually really cool. But you guys, this video is actually really cool. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. A lot of really cool things are happening. So stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe. And what do you guys think? I really want to hear you guys' comments down below. This is something very different, very new. And it turned out way different than I actually expected it to be. Actually turned out pretty cool. I was very unsure during this whole process, but I feel like it's something new and very fresh and very interesting at the same time. But you guys, that is today's video. Stay tuned for these next couple videos because I'm going to be dropping a bunch of bangers. So other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Hopefully you guys do have an amazing day. Matter of fact, have a great day. Peace out and God bless.